So this is you? What do you want to say?
We're going to Omaha. We're going to Omaha. 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 La 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 la. Omaha.
A few days.
Bye, little boy. Lincoln, don't worry. You'll have a great time. Bye-bye. Lincoln, don't cry, sweetie. I'm on my own. When I started turning woodworking from a hobby into a business, I knew there would be times like this. It's tough building something. Things go wrong. You find yourself late on commitments to, for example, hundreds of Vise customers who plunk down their money with the expectation of October shipments. Then you find that 1 out of every 5 front plates for your 20-inch vise have a center hole that's a 1/16 of an inch out of position, so you lose a bunch of time scrambling to fast-track replacements and find and replace all the first shipments that were bad. Now that screw-up was the manufacturer's, but here's one that was mine. The holes in the wood jaw for the screws that stick out of the back of the vise should be at least 7/8 of an inch deep, not 3/4 of an inch. Sorry to those that were frustrated by this error, and thanks to all the folks participating in the Incline Facebook group for catching this. Thanksgiving away from my family is something I'll avoid at all costs in the future, but it was the right thing to do this time. I would have been horrible company anyway, with all the Vise work on my mind. I needed to work until I was too exhausted to worry anymore, and wake up and do it again and again. 3 days was enough. As of today, 2/3 of the Kickstarter and initial website sales have shipped, and my family is back. At this pace, I'll wrap up just before the Christmas holiday, which I will be spending with family. If you're traveling over the holiday and would prefer I not ship your Vise until the new year, please let me know. There's an email in the description. Thanks for your patience and support. All right, 3 days later, back at the train station. How's my little boy?